Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Facebook account to Royal Match. Connecting your Facebook account with Royal Match is a seamless process that enhances your gaming experience. First of all, launch Open Royal Match application on your device, and then from the home screen, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Here you can edit your profile from this page. To connect a Royal Match with Facebook, click the F Connect button under Use Your Facebook Photo. You'll then be redirected to the sign-in page of Facebook. Go ahead and write down your credentials, and after you have the correct Facebook account's credential, you will then be able to sign in Royal Match with Facebook. Now your profile picture will be taken from your Facebook account once you have successfully linked those accounts. And now you can click Save, and there you have successfully connected Royal Match with Facebook. Once connected, your game progress will be linked to your Facebook account, enabling synchronization across devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.